Oh, we did this before, buddy. I remember. I almost cut my hand off.
Exactly.
Brothers Bistro, hot bites, bringing you tips to ensure your success.
So we talked to our resident experts, which we clearly didn't talk to last time, and they said,
Stab it.
stab it a bunch of times.
Apparently, you put it in the microwave for 15 whole minutes,
And you cook that bad
and
boy.
it doesn't blow up because we got the thing poked a bunch of times, right? And my brother's gonna stab his thumb in a minute here.
Try not to. Ooh, it's a little hard spot there. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the microwave for 15 minutes, and when it comes out, we're gonna see what we got. And it should cut open much easier.
Cut open easier, yeah. And we're still gonna have to get it. She said we don't even have to let it rest much to get the insides. I was worried it might be hot.
We got the hot tips for you. No emphasis on hot here. These hot bites. There, this will save you time and potentially
your fingers, your digits.
Yeah.
Wow, what happened?
Well, we had a little accident. Just when they said nothing could go wrong, right?
Right. It looks like you must not have punched the holes too deep enough.
I think that was the general consensus, that you got to make sure you get those holes all the way in there, and you might want to put it in there for a few minutes because it got about 10 minutes into our 15-minute thing and then it exploded. So I think if just to make sure, maybe at the 5-minute mark you take it out and you punch some more holes in there.
Maybe it would be maybe softer and easier to punch.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
So my brother learned something on this one. Hopefully you learned it too vicariously through us.
We got a little mess to clean up.
Is there good news?
There's good news is it's cooked.
And it still seems to be good. It didn't impact that. It impacted the inside of the microwave. I'd like to report that my brother cleaned it up, but it didn't. So, anyway, we're moving on.
Right.
We'll have to show him the next time we do this. It does this too.
Right. Okay.
All right. Brothers Bistro.
This is a hot
Here
bite.
for your squash.